who are unsung heroes who are doing the most to impact various communities. So today in studio with us, we have my 5 roses, her actual name being Ruth Chaphika, who is 42 years old, and she began her baking journey in the year 2009. After taking a break, she resumed in the year 2013. She has been baking ever since. She specializes in cakes for all occasions and various snacks. Having discovered along the way that not everyone has a sweet tooth. Passionate about empowering others, Ruth offers lessons to communities, teaching women how to bake and how to make snacks to help them earn a living. Mama Mamkasi. Tamuka Futi, welcome to Star FM.
Thank you so much for calling me here.
You're more than welcome. You're looking so bright, so shining. It's giving star already.
Thank you so much.
So let's get into it. Please do tell us more about yourself. This personal stuff to start business.
All right.
Yeah.
My name is Mai Makanaka. 5 Roses Cakes.
Mm-hmm.
I do bake cakes for all occasions, and I'm a mother of 5 children. 2 boys and 3 girls. I love cooking and baking. That's my hobby and my work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Love it.
Yes.
I want to have 7. So looking at you, I'm getting inspirational vibes there.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So let's just start. Sakamakatanga Baker in the year 2009, right?
Yes.
So what inspired you? What made you feel like, you know what, just instead of just baking for my husband and kids, let me start baking for other people and make this into a monetary business?
All right. Like what you were discussing on the trending story for today. I started baking dichito ondrukwitiro vana in doing that, but ndakazoona kuti semukadzi you need something to do for your own living.
Yeah.
Ufana uzoramba uchiti dedi chakati chapera all the time. You have to be doing something for yourself. Saka ndo pandakazoona kuti let me do ndichibeka ndichitengesa.
I love it. Hansi, we are not team DCC here.
No.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so can you please share one particularly memorable cake that you made for a special occasion?
I made many cakes.
Of course.
Which particular one I can say? I made a cake for a very big person.
Mm-hmm.
He's a politician and he's big in his company.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I was so excited that day.
Yeah.
I made more cakes, but that day I was so excited. I couldn't even believe myself in that stage, putting a cake on the table.
Yes, man.
For bigger people like that. I was so excited that day.
It's a pity kuti tauremazi topano
don't do that.
Okay. Saka chimbowaudza kuti my cakes are not only for birthdays, they are not only for weddings. You can also have an apology cake.
My cakes, they are not anytime cake. Kungototi takagara kudai ngatidye ma cakes.
Anditika.
Aiwa tinofana kuti kwete kuzofunduka taona ma cakes kuti what's the occasion? No. Yeah, we have to do cakes all the time.
While we're speaking about cakes, a cake does not necessarily need to be a 3-tier.
No,
you understand?
Even
to my small
ones,
cute cake.
Yes.
We do them.
The SAY.
So what led you to starting your baking company and what was your vision for it?
When I started baking, I was like, it was just like a hobby. Then let me do it for business. In my society, they supported me. Ndakanzwa kutambirika ndo zvakazonipa basa rekuti ndirambe ndichiita kuti ndienderere mberi nditova basa nditoita company ndakatozoona kuti nekuti ndakaona ndakatambirika zvakanaka in my society.
Yeah. Yes. Lovely. So there's this myth that I once heard. Now that I've got a professional baker, I'm going to ask her, and it's going to hold her back.
No, you can ask.
Ndakaudzwa kuti red velvet, right?
Yes.
It's actually just coloring.
No,
it's not. It's a flavor.
It's not a flavor.
What is it?
It's a cake. it's a cake. You have to do something like there's red velvet. There are some people who bake a red vanilla.
Okay.
And they call it red velvet.
Exactly.
No, there's a red velvet cake.
Okay.
A real red velvet cake.
Can I come taste
Yes,
it?
yeah,
Oh,
you can
of course.
come. You can come. You can come.
So imimi nderipi cake ramunofarira, and why is that?
Inini ndonya kufarira chocolate mint.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know.
Ooh,
Yes, I like that cake. I just don't know why, but munakangonditi ndiitrewo cake. Can I now do the flavor? I'll just do that.
Chocolate mint.
Yes.
You know, I've only ever heard of chocolate mint pie ice cream, so I'm keen on tasting it pie cake.
I'll do it for you.
So can you walk us through the, cake making process and the whole concept of it?
The cake making process is something very exciting because you'll be making chino chinota kuti munhu akachiona anofanira kuvhunduka. Oti wow. And chigomunakira futi mukanwa.
Yeah.
Saka you have to be very clean when doing your cakes. You have to be very appropriate on measuring your things. Every ingredient should be measured very appropriately. Saka cake making chinofanira kuitwa nemunhu ari kuziya zvaari kuita. Ari kunyatsoziya mune moyo wake wese kuti ndiri kuita chipi because chikafu chinonetsa. Saka you have to be very particular about making cake, and ufanira kubudisa a design yataurwa nemunhu. And pane imwe time yekuti unogona kupiwa keke raita like mazuva ano taakuita ndo inonzi chipinterest kuti munhu anokupa keke rabva from Google unofanira kutaura chokwadi kuti no, I can't do this because pane imwe time yekuti unonge usingatochikwanisi zvachose. You have to be very frank with the customer utomutaura kuti no, I can't do this because zvechokwadi unonge usingarigoni rinenge rakaitwawo zvakaitwawo zvimwe but unoita chaunokwanisa iwewe.
Nditika saka inini on my birthday musi wa27 August ndinoda candle cake. Unoita candle riri kumelta so you know what I'm saying? I want one big candle cake.
Yeah, I'll do that for you. I'll do that for you.
Saka, do you have any tips for a listener who wants to try baking their own cake at home?
I have tips. Like most of people mazwano tawanda mabakers. If you can see wari panapa rungoti I'm doing baking. But pane zvimwe zvokuti unofanira kuti attend my lessons. Whenever you see people vachitaura kuti mabakers ngatite malessons unofanira kunge uchinge uripo uchiona because sometimes Google haitiudze zvese. And tine zvimwe zvatinozosangana nazvo in baking, like waona recipe from your Google unonzwa munhu achiti I'm a Google baker and I got it from Facebook, I got it from this recipes achita ekukopa. There are physical things zvokuti unofanira kunge uchitozviona tichizviita nekuti tine zvinhu zvatakadiscover zvatinoziva kuti ukatora flour ukaisiva 6 times inoramba kubuda, unoda kuzofisiva 8 times. Izvinhu zvokuti tinenge takazozvinotisa kuti no, if you can sieve it 3 times it's fine. If you can do this with this cake unofanira kunge uchiziva. Saka pane imwe time yekuti unofanira kunge uchiziva kuti yoye home baker, but ukaona pari kunzi malessons, there are some people vanenge vachiadvertise macakes vangana malessons, try to attend them malessons iwayo.
That's definitely true. Inini mai vangu is a baker, but I would say kuti sometimes we would have to try again because you can actually follow the recipe, but technique manji. Technique. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
I like it because you know what, with baking it becomes addictive. Bake cake, the next thing you want to do my pies, next thing you want to do muffins, next thing you want to do a pizza.
I can confess. I also like baking.
There's nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing
wrong with that.
And I was not taught.
Ndaiona
vachibika and then I was waenda ndinotanga kutamba neflower ndichitedzera zvavari kuita.
Aiwa, that's good. At least unongo uchiona boss than kutedzera phone iri a bit tricky.
Exactly.
And to be honest, I've tasted. She actually made my birthday cake.
Oh, is that so?
That cake was nice, guys. I don't want to lie, and I love chocolate cake. It was like coffee mixed cake, chocolate cake. It was nice. And my parents don't love cake, but that one,
they were like,
Shanda pa.
Thank you so much.
So, pane to my cakes to complicated, to my gluten free, to my lactose free, to my chichi. I just want to know, Kuti, does it still taste as good? Kind of isina gluten, isina lactose, and some people don't like too much sugar in their cakes. So how do we work around those kind of people? Vanema allergies.
Sugar, diabetic.
Exactly.
Yes, it tastes the same. Just because you'll be adding my gluten, you want but just almost the same.
It's just almost the same. That's lovely. That's really lovely.
Yes.
So what's your favorite holiday, or what's your favorite occasion? Kuitira my cake. Is it weddings? Is it birthdays? Anniversaries?
It's the holidays, Christmas.
Hey, can I start
Heroes,
a birthday?
Start FM birthday. Zanani's birthday is coming soon.
I have a special occasion, ndinakidza handiboziva kuti sei ndinonyatsonzwa kuigadzirira kuti ndikapinda mutaundi umhanya unotenga maruva angu ndigostoka ndigoita sei ndoziva kuti handiregere kushanda. That's Mother's Day. I just don't know why. We have Father's Day next week. So so to be on Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
My orders actually, there are very few. I don't know why. But for Mother's Day,
I will tell you why. Atidiwe.
Aiwa kashe my cake. Rega ndikupe recipe ka. Pa Mother's Day, because women, as we have a sweet tooth.
Yes.
And there's one up my vangu. My mom would always tell my dad, "Kuti, I don't want flowers. I don't want anything. I just want a cake. Just give me a nice chocolate cake."
Right.
Pamaruwe tinongo ita biltong cake.
Biltong cake.
And ndeve nyama.
Yeah, but nema snakes because nema orders nema snakes ndo andaka akawanisa, but mostly for men I don't know why.
Can I tell you?
Yes.
She was the first person to do
a biltong
cake for KVG. Mr. Viangasangatorizi. He did
Is
not know. He kept on asking the sausage cake. It's a sausage cake.
It was so exciting that day. Yeah, it was so exciting.
Khona lapha bathi sicela numbers zakhe siyazifuna. Hayi khululeka, at ease, my kings and queens. It's coming. It is coming. We're with my KK, my 5 roses, whatever you call her. Oksalayo nje. Just know for the right occasion she's your woman to call. So we'll be right back just after this song by Atenda Cheeks titled Ndodi.
It's radio on a galactic scale. The Morning Galaxy on Star FM.
Yeah, let's go like this.
Lockdown. Wapisa marikiti moyo wangu ndopika nchotage Mungu ndiwe munu wangu. I hope I need so she got back with them. I pray these choices that I'm making in a rush. I don't really know, but it feels damn right, like a drug that I do not want to stop. Those are sad and those lipunza so. Lordy, wandi pengeza nerudo wandi tika misa. Lordy, got me steady, I'm all for you. Lordy, wandi pengeza nerudo wandi tika misa. Lordy, got me steady, I'm all for you. I'm in, but don't be somebody. And on deep as in this way, Kanandaka is and a priest, Camelis and a Lia, she gonna rip in the moon of my bar. Passing on Bogureva. Away, Kai, Karo Jira. Watching a milli, Kiva Chikudira. Panonya Simbisane Kukufila. Doga no Tanga Kumediteda. Digati and Dino Kesha Kupera town, all like Usandi de Shakunya Pesera. Toda mas mighty, Uwe Mugariro. Lordy, wandi pengeza nerudo wandi tika misa. Lordy, got me steady, I'm all for you. Lordy, wandi pengeza nerudo wandi tika misa. Lordy, got me steady, I'm all for you. You lock down. Wapisa marikiti moyo wangu ndopika nchotage Mungu ndiwe munu wangu. I hope I need so she got back with them. I pray these choices that I'm making in a rush. I don't really know, but it feels damn right, like a drug that I do not want to stop. Those are sad and those lipunza so. Lordy, wandi pengeza nerudo wandi tika misa. Lordy,
Hansi Ndodi Atenda Cheeks. Ndodi tenga keke. Ndodi. Imagine at a concert, Jay. When I said that chicks, you need to do something for us. Dodi. Imagine. Come
But
on
imagine
now.
a guy singing that song with all his heart. Dirty.
Do you know, to be a good musician, you need
Yeah.
to make a song that even males can sing without losing, that masculine.
masculine.
One of the people who can do that is Nicki Minaj. Any song, Nicki, a man can rap it and still what? Maintain his dignity.
I actually found myself singing to one of her songs. I'm like, what?
You see what I'm saying? That's why she's the greatest rapper of all time, female
Yeah,
rapper
yeah,
at that.
yeah.
07721626251. That's our station number. Today we are with My Five Roses. 42-year-old. She began. It's not right to say. Why did you put?
It's not
fine.
me. She
it's
did.
fine. It's fine, Mama. A woman's age is a secret.
Oh, it's a secret.
It's a secret.
You see, she doesn't even know it.
But she's here looking like she's 28, and then after that,
She's singing good of herself.
Nice.
She's singing good of herself, Gasha.
Thank you.
So if you don't know her, well, she started baking in the year 2006. After taking a break, she resumed in the year 2013. She's been baking ever since. She specializes in cakes for all occasions, even apology cakes. She's there. She also has a variety of snacks, and she also has, decided to empower others along the way. Let's get into that.
Yes.
So I want to know from you, Kuti, what do you do as a Shiro? What do you do to empower women in communities out there?
In my community,
Mm-hmm.
I help people, like mostly women. Ndakaona kuti zvakaoma zvandambotara zveDCC zveshe.
Yeah.
Kuti mumwe mukadzi unoona anenge asina kana pekutangira.
Mm-hmm.
Saka ndopandakaona kuti regai tikudzidzisei zvemaoko izvozvizvi.
Yeah.
Unogona kuti handina basa rekuti ndofana kuenda but ndikadzidza zvemaoko ndinogona kubata.
Mm-hmm.
Saka I teach people. I started teaching them Mumba, like ndikawana vanhu 5. I teach them.
Mm-hmm.
Until now vanhu vakundiwandira.
Yeah.
Because zvinezvi ndakutota hired venue ndoenda pane imwe venue ndoticha vanhu. I teach for a very small fee because ndinoona kuti ndinoda kubatsira vanhu. Saka
Yeah.
ndinozoremerwa nekutenga ma-ingredients because I do them, ndotenga ma-ingredients ese because munhu anenge asingazive pane mamajagoni ekuti ukapinda mucake shop ndikudawo inonzi cocoa powder, ndikudawo inonzi fino whip, munhu haazvinzwisise. Saka ndinotenga zvinhu zvese, ndatenga zvinhu zvese, I teach them. Ndovaudza kuti you do this and ichi ndo chinonzi chakati, ndo chinonzi chakati chese, ndovalainira zvinhu zvese apa nditika ndovadzidzisa, then ndovapa makekes avo vochekerana kana vachikwanisa kuchekerana kana vachitakura ese ari mafull cakes avo voenda nemafull cakes avo depending nemari yavanenge vabhadhara ma-ingredients. Most of the time nechizviitira zvinondinakidza kudzidzisa mumwe mukadzi nokundoziva kuti to empower
Yeah.
women is to empower the whole world.
Yeah, true.
Saka I do makekes iwayi nemasnacks ndichivadzidzisa. Mumwe wiki ndogona kuita masnacks, toita masnacks edu, masamusa, mahalf moon, mapies, bread pockets, tichingoita zvakasiyana siyana tichidependa kuti vari kuda chii. Next week ndoita chimwe tichingodaro. But my community is happy with the work that I'm doing.
You know what I like about this, Shewe? It's giving more of an NGO than, I need to do this.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, it's selfless. A candle does not lose anything by lighting other
lighting,
candles.
True,
You
that's
understand?
definitely true.
In this day and age, when someone acquires a skill, they don't want to teach other people because what would you then those will turn our business.
Yeah,
No,
exactly.
No, you don't. You know that God blesses you the more
You
the
bless
more
others.
You understand?
Exactly.
When you start blessing someone who's in need and then they start baking their cakes, they will remember, maybe Five Roses once did this for me.
True.
And now
Eh.
God starts blessing you for that. That's one thing that has people have lost.
You see kuti pamwe unotoona kuti vanogona kuti like my student anoremerwa necake, this cake is too big for me, ma'am, can you do this? Ndotomuitira kana kuti ndiitirewo amaway ndakutowana ma-orders from them.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
see now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Saka handina kana chandinombobva zveshuwa when helping them.
Imagine.
Yeah.
No, I can't bake your cake today, but my mentor, the person who taught me, because I mean,
Exactly.
if they taught you to be this good, they must be even better.
I've heard her telling me that there's a student that came all the way from Bybridge, right?
Yes, from
To
Bedford
come to be taught
Oh,
from
lovely.
Bybridge.
Lovely.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Last week I had some from Mount Darren
Imagine.
and Mount Darren in Macheke. Yes,
Imagine.
yes.
You know what? Putting smiles on our faces, because who doesn't love a good cake? So, do you offer any seasonal specials, or kuti, now it's Christmas, Christmas cakes are on discount?
Yes, we do that. We do that.
I love it so much. So, how do you stay updated, when it comes to these cake trends? Because, hey, my cake, there are cakes that burn. There's this cake that burns off. There's this cake that has gelatin. Panama sculptured cakes.
Quite bomb cake.
Is it?
Yes, bomb cake. You crush it.
You lie.
And then the cream, is it is it the chocolate?
The chocolate,
Go
yes.
there,
you
Buddha,
break,
you bear.
and the
Musa
cake is
Daro.
inside.
That
Yes.
is nice. Gosh, hey. And I want a cake.
Mostly shandinoita
Mm-hmm.
ndiomere kuonoweke vamwe.
Okay. Yeah.
ndinogara ndakatifollow vamwe vangu tichionawo, then I work with Google yoi tichionawo makekes ari kuuya mazuva ano anenge achitrenda, matrending cakes anenge achiita iwayo.
Trending cakes, bomb cake. I think I might just get 2 cakes for my birthday: a candle and a bomb
And a
cake.
bomb
bomb
cake. No,
Oh,
man.
it
No,
would be
it's
nice.
good. It's good. Yeah?
In any case,
That would be nice.
I wanted to say, Kutika, this baking class of yours, this
Yes.
whole,
Yes.
baking school that you have,
Yes.
I feel like we should just turn it into an NGO and call it DCC, anti-DCC movement.
One.
You are giving me
One.
an idea.
I'm giving you an idea.
Give me an
Anti-DCC
idea.
movement. And Tataita say tadonza mame mashiros and
Yeah,
tadonza
sure.
ku engineering,
Exactly.
tadonza ku chibe ku makeup ku
Yes,
yet. Tataita we are the
NTDC.
anti-DCC
For the whole
organization.
thing, organization.
Anti-daddy
Yeah.
chakati
Yeah,
chakati. We don't want.
You don't
We
want.
don't
those
want.
things.
It's a no.
You have to be empowered, not a cabbage like you were saying that.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
Shewe, I'm cutting off your mic. I've cut off your mic, yo.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
I can also cut that one, oh.
Zanani, why do you want to stay at home? Why?
No, me, I was raised for soft life. God, my
no.
father brought me into this world for soft life. No one will ever take that dream away from me.
It can't. That one
You
is.
can't do
it
that.
can't.
You have to work.
Thank you. Especially in this day and age,
Then,
economy.
yes.
The tree needs the soil, the sun.
I have
The
been
water.
defeated. I accept someone.
Yes.
came
Yeah,
here.
for the first time, Zanani to be defeated.
I am the one who defeated Zanani.
Shewe, I'm cutting you off. It was not you.
I'm
It
happy.
was not you. It was my 5 roses. It was
I'm
not you.
happy. I'm happy.
Please let us know where can we come and enjoy your cake classes, just to watch, maybe just to interact, as well as to order my cakes at Joka.
All right. I'm based in Glenview 7.
Mm-hmm.
12,000 Glenview 7. That's my house. And my phone number is 0772 682 741.
One more time.
0772 682 741. On Facebook, I'm 5 Roses. Cakes
Manzwaka,
and catering, yes.
5 Roses, Cakes and Catering
Catering.
was in the building, hands in the royalty. My teacher is in the building, and I am living with her. I am living with her. I'm not going to join the anti-DCC movement, because I'm going to be a baker.
The Morning Galaxy on Star FM.
People are starting calling me now.
As they should. Overload is taking us straight to the news.